What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I know it's kind of been a while since I posted my last one on the IS, but today is just kind of random. We're going to be taking the Civic out to one of my meets. I'm actually co-hosting with Prison Mike. He's actually in town for the meet tonight, so we did a little co-host on that. I'll throw in some clips about how that went. But I did just get a lot of parts in for the IS, which I'm really excited to show you guys. So basically, I'm doing a new build series with the IS. I'm going to be doing kind of like a budget drift build, which is going to be pretty cool. I got a lot of parts here. I'm going to show you guys in a little bit. But all right, so this is kind of just a sneak peek of some of the stuff I got in the mail for the IS. We got GS300 tie rods, and we got the really budget angle kit, which I will get into when I do the full build series on the IS. But just know we're doing angle, and this cost me like less than if I were to take my family out to eat, which is kind of crazy. You guys should know what that is. A hub adapter, and then I got tow arms. I'll get into that later when I do start that build series. I'm gonna probably film whenever I do get all the rest of the parts in. I also got my homie Cam. Bought these blast pipes off him. These are on his G. I'm gonna just cut it and weld it to my existing exhaust right there. So I'm gonna do that. And then I did get, I'm not even going to spoil it, bro. I'm not even going to spoil it. But this car, just know it's going to be really sick by the time we get that build started and by the time that thing finishes. I got a bunch more parts coming for the car, which I'm super, super excited about. But we got to get to that meet. Let's get the Civic out. It's going to be a process. So we actually got to move all the cars. And I got to turn the Lexus around, point it this way so I could jump start the Civic. And actually, the Civic's battery is so bad, after I jump start it and drive it even for like 30 minutes, it still cuts power. So that battery's dead. It's not gonna do anything. But luckily I got my, jumper cables, and I got my air tank, you feel me? So that if I need air or if I need to start, my homie's got me. All right, guys, I'm in the Civic right now, about to leave. I'm just gonna cut to it and show you guys how that looks. Bro, there's a whole line. A whole line. That's insane. Are you gonna wait in line?
Yeah, bro. I already waited. It's 2 hours.
Bro, it drove 6 hours to be. That's just pretty gas. No, that's fire. Damn. That boy outside. Big style guy out here. Mikey did his thing on this Integra, bro. It's just clean. Alright, so I just moved. We got the two Stance Hondas out here. We got this 46. We got Tony over there. Hate Static. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Top style guy.
Big style.
Big style. Big style guy.
Shout out YouTube style.
Hell yeah.
Stylistic on top. Hey, should I bum this last slice? Can I get the last slice?
You guys gotta have it. Actually, no. Kiss off. Do a kiss off.
Is that fucking move? Oh, well, there it goes. No.
Eat it. Eat it. Hell yeah. Bro, my shit is so clapped right now.
We're about to head out, man.
Bro, look. On the way here. On the way here, my bumper caught my wheel, bro. And my whole bumper cracked, dude. And I taped it. Dude, we got all the style cars out. Mikey just got his banner. That's Caleb. Bro, that's actually kind of hard. Bro, you're a G with the 46? Look at it, bro. Bro, look at this Chaser. Style meet was a success. We got Mike over there, Jordan right there, but this has been going pretty good. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for tonight's meet. It did pretty good. We got a lot of cars out here today. Mike is over there doing his thing. We had all the cars out from tonight. fire. We'll pick up the video somewhere. If I don't, this is gonna be the end of the video.
Like, subscribe, comment, chat.
All right, guys, just got back from the meet. I put the Civic back in the garage. As you guys know, it's a fight to put this thing in the garage, but the meet was fire. I know it's kind of a random video, just talking about the future build plans for the IS, and then just taking the Civic out to one of my meets. Appreciate you guys for all the support, and to all my supporters, I love you guys very much. Can't wait to film the next video on the IS, which will be pretty soon. I'm just waiting on a bunch more parts. But thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.